are going to check the vocabulary of this day. Pay attention, please.
Okay, this is the vocabulary of this day. Repeat after me, please. Art class. Art class. Okay? Art class is a class of art. You can paint or draw. Location. Repeat. Location. Okay? Location is the place where you are. So, for example, here at the school is my location. Painting. Painting is a picture. For example, these paintings are beautiful.
Let's continue. Now, for today, we are going to start part 3. What makes a good classmate? So, open your book, page 48. Let's go to school. Here, you have to read Lily Loves School again in your awesome reader. So, then, activity number 1, circle the word that matches the picture. For example, for the picture number 1, you are going to circle the correct word. Picture number 1, parent or reading. You have to read, circle the correct word. Picture number 2, recess or class. Picture number 3, painting or write. Picture number 4, recess or class. So, then, for activity number 2, what do you love about the school? Here you have different boxes, so you have to write, for example, my teacher. Here, what do you love about your teacher? What do you love about your school? What do you love about your class? So, you are going to write an example. What do you love about your class? So you can write here dance or paint or something like that. Next page, 49. In this page, you have to read the story again, and you have 2 columns. In the first column is for things Lily loves. In the for the other column is, and you have to write things Lily doesn't like. For example, things Lily loves. You can write Lily loves to read, for example. Lily loves to play in the playground. Lily loves to read a book. Okay, and something like that. Then in the other column you have to write things Lily doesn't like. For example, Lily doesn't like sandwiches. It's an example. Activity number 3. In this, you have to complete the sentences with a word from the box. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words in the box. Class, home, math, playground, and school. So you have to use all the words to complete the sentences from 1 to 5. For example, Lily walks with her mom to school.
Some is